Okay, fine. So today we have to start with the questions. That is a preparation of cost sheet. That how we will prepare the cost sheet, right? Okay, I just want to ask you whether my screen is visible to you, everyone. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So before starting this preparation of cost sheet, I would like to tell you one thing that regarding the simple cost sheet, that how we can prepare a simple cost sheet. So let's have a look. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes,
हाँ जी
ma'am.
मैम.
Ma'am.
मीन्स उनको कोई दिक्कत नहीं आ रही इन द स्क्रीन है ना विजिबिलिटी एंड ऑल.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Let me connect with the EduPen and all. Okay. Okay, about the cost sheet, you can see what is a cost sheet. So cost sheet is a statement which represents a various cost that is incurred at different stages of business. So cost sheet we prepare in a tabular format, and in the end you will get the total cost or the cost of sales or expenditure made by the organization. By the total cost you can set that how much the amount of sales will be and what will be the amount of profit or loss. You can calculate the same with the help of cost sheet. So it basically provides an insight into its performance and efficiency. You can helps in preparing a competitive analysis and improvement of business operations through cost reduction. So unit costing, a very important concept. This method is used when a single article is produced or a service rendered by a continuous manufacturing activity. The cost of whole production cycle is ascertained as a process of series or processes, and the cost is arrived by dividing the total cost by the number of units produced. When you have to calculate the cost of one product, you can calculate the cost of one product is total cost by the number of units produced. So you can calculate the cost per unit. So this is unit costing. When you are calculating the cost per unit, it means that this is a unit costing. The unit of costing is chosen according to the nature of the product. Cost statements or cost sheets are prepared under which various items are classified and the total expenditure is divided by the total quantity produced in order to arrive at a unit cost of production. How this method is useful unit costing? This method is suitable in industries like brick making. कि one brick the cost कितनी आई? One brick the cost कितनी आई? Like floor mills, cement manufacturing. This method is useful for the assembly department of factory producing a mechanical article like bicycle. In a bicycle, the entire role is of the unit costing. When you have to calculate the cost of a one product, you can calculate the cost of a one product with the help of formula total cost divided by the number of units produced. Clear to everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Components of cost. There are four components of cost. Now, first is a prime cost. How you can arrive at a prime cost? Direct material,
Direct wages.
direct labor, then direct expenses. So when you are making a total of these direct material, direct labor, direct expenses, you can calculate your prime cost. When you calculate the prime cost, what you will do, you have to add the factory overheads and you can calculate your factory cost or work cost. Now what you will do, you will add here the administration expenses, and you can calculate your cost of production. Now, what you will do? You will add your selling and distribution expenses, and you can calculate your total cost. The another name of total cost is uh, cost of sales. And the difference between the sales and the total cost, it will represent your profit or loss in which figure? Balancing figure. Clear? If the sales is more than your total cost, there will be a profit. If the total cost is greater than your sales, there will be a loss in balancing figure. Is it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in the components of cost, prime cost, initial cost, which is used in manufacturing a product, raw material, labor, wages, expenses is termed as a prime cost. The another name of work cost is factory cost. It is calculated by summing up the prime cost with the factory overheads, simultaneously adjusting the opening and closing stock of work in progress. So this is a very important point. Very important point written here. Simultaneously adjusting the opening and closing work in progress. Now there are three type of cost. One is raw material. Another is work in progress. And the third is finished stock. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Raw
Yes, ma'am.
material, work in progress, and finished stock. Now, what will happen if we have given this opening raw material, opening stock of work in progress, opening stock of finished stock, opening closing stock of finished stock? What you will do? What you will do? Okay, let's discuss. Indirect material, indirect labor, and indirect expenses, cost of production. It includes all the direct, indirect costs, including the material, labor, production cost, factory cost, office and administration cost. After making the adjustment of opening stock of finished goods and closing stock of finished goods, we acquire the cost of production of goods sold. Now, these are the another things which have been written here, right? Then you will arrive at a total cost. By adding the value of all the things, you will arrive at a total cost. So this is a formula that we have already discussed. These are the selling expenses. So this is a formula. Prime cost, direct material, direct labor, direct expenses. Work cost or prime cost plus work overheads. Work cost plus administration overhead is cost of production. The total cost is cost of production plus selling and distribution overhead. This is known as a simple format for cost sheet. Whenever there is no work in progress, no finished stock, no raw material. So this is a simple format. Now, what will happen if the raw material, work in progress, and finished stocks are given in the question? So this is a tabular form. You can see the tabular form. So this is a simple format for a cost sheet. Please note it down. Material, labor, direct expenses, you will arrive at a prime cost. Add factory overhead is equal to work cost or factory cost. Add administration overhead, you will get your cost of production. Add selling and distribution overhead, you will get your total cost or cost of sales. Then this you will get in balancing figure. This is sales. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So cost sheet is basically a useful tool for the managers to keep control over the business expense and the cost of products or services. In large organization, cost statements play a very important role in keeping a track of multiple components of cost, including the different departments, including the production, factoring, office, and selling distribution overheads. Now, what will happen if the what will happen if the Opening and closing stock of work in progress are given. My screen is visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just
Yes,
wait.
ma'am.
Now it is more visible. Now what will happen if the opening stock of raw material is given? You will go through the opening stock of raw material plus purchases of raw material, add any type of purchase expense, less closing stock of raw material. With the same, you will calculate the value of raw material consumed. What will happen in the previous sheet? In the previous sheet, the direct this material is given in the question, direct labor is given in the question, direct expenses is given in the question. You simply add the same in order to calculate the prime cost, right? Now what happens here? Here the opening stock of raw material is given, purchases of raw material is given, closing stock of raw material is given. What you will do? You will make an entry of opening stock of raw material, add purchases, less closing stock of raw material in order to calculate the raw material consumed. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
How you
Yes,
can?
ma'am.
मैम कुछ डायरेक्ट चार्जेस रिलेटेड टू रॉ मटेरियल भी ऐड करिਆ ਹੋਇਆ
कितने राजे?
मैम बुक ਚ
किਵੇਂ? क्या कह रहे हो आप?
मैम बुक ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਓਪਨਿੰਗ ਸਟਾਕ ਆਫ ਰॉ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਐਡ ਪਰਚੇਜ਼ ਆਫ ਰॉ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਤੇ ਲੈਸ ਕਲੋਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਸਟਾਕ ਆਫ ਰॉ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਐਡ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਚਾਰजेस ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਟੂ ਰॉ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਵੀ ਕਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ परचेज एक्सपेंसेस है
नहीं 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 नहीं, आप ये भी कर लो तब भी आंसर सेम आएगा, ठीक है?
ठीक है
अगर आप यहाँ पे रॉ मटेरियल एक मिनट ऐड कर रहे हो, ये देखो ना, आप यहाँ पे कह रहे हो यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट मटेरियल ऐड किया हुआ है,
यस मैम
कोई बात नहीं, आपने यहाँ पर ऐड कर लिया तो प्राइम कॉस्ट तो सेम आएगी ना आपकी, एम आई राइट?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
जी आप 1+2 कर लिए तामी 3 आऊगा, जी आप 2+1 कर लिए तामी 3 आऊगा ना,
हाँ जी, मैम.
प्लस ही कर रहे हैं, आप माइनस तो नहीं ना कर रहे? क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके ओके. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What you will do?
Yes, ma'am.
Opening stock of raw material, add purchases, less closing stock of raw material. Then you will get your raw material consumed. Add direct wages, yeah, whatever the direct labor is there, direct expenses are there, and you will get your prime cost. Clear? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. हाँ जी,
Okay,
ma'am.
now you will add your factory overheads. What is your factory overheads? It means that a factory expenses. Factory rent, factory power, indirect material, indirect wages, supervision salary, supervisor salary, drawing office salary, factory insurance, factory asset depreciation. Now, by adding this in a simple format, you will calculate the factory cost. Clear? अगर आप सिंपल फॉर्मेट में जाओ, इसको ऐड करके मैंने आपको बोला था आपके पास फैक्ट्री कॉस्ट आ जाएगी, राइट? बट व्हेन द ओपनिंग एंड द क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस इज गिवन, व्हाट यू विल डू, आपके पास जो कैलकुलेट होके आएगा उसको आप लिखोगे फैक्ट्री कॉस्ट इंकर्ड. You will add a word factory cost incurred. Clear? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Then you
ma'am.
Then you will do the adjustment regarding the opening stock of finished goods, opening stock of work in progress. Now, next is less closing stock of work in progress. Means opening stock of work in progress, less closing stock of work in progress, and you can calculate your work cost. ये बाद में आएगी work cost आपकी. सबसे पहले you will calculate your direct raw material consumed. Then you can calculate your work cost by making adding of the opening work in progress and less of the closing work in progress. You can calculate your work cost. Now what you will do, you will add your administration expenses in order to calculate the cost of production. That remains the same. Third step remains the same, irrespective whether the adjustments are there or not. Now what you will do, after the cost of goods of production, if you have an adjustment of these two things, that is the opening stock of finished goods, less closing stock of finished goods, then you will calculate your cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
this is the
ma'am.
cost of goods sold. Now, what you will do? You will add your all selling and distribution expenses like traveling, salesman salary, advertisement, delivery man expenses, bad debts. So you can calculate your cost of sales. Another name of cost of sales is total cost. And then there's a sales, and you will calculate your profit in balancing figure, or you can say your loss in balancing figure. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji. Yes, please. Anything else you want to say? Okay, anyone who can explain this format in detail? आप में से कोई बता सकता है अभी? Yes, please. Discuss this format in detail. सुजल.
मैम पढ़कर बोलना है.
हाँ जी पढ़कर ही बोलना है. आपको याद हो गया, समझ आ गया थोड़ा?
यस मैम.
हाँ बोलो फिर.
सबसे पहले हम जो फॉर्मेट बनाएंगे पर्टिकुलर्स अमाउंट 2 कॉलम्स अमाउंट की एंड पर्टिकुलर्स की. सबसे फर्स्ट आइटम जब हमने प्राइम कॉस्ट निकालनी है तो ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल की अमाउंट आएगी. ऐड उसमें हम करेंगे परचेज ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स, ऐड करेंगे हम परचेज एक्सपेंसेस और लेस करेंगे हम क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स. और साथ में लाइक रॉ मटेरियल्स कंज्यूम्ड, डायरेक्ट वेजेस, लेबर, डायरेक्ट चार्जेस. तो हमारी इसमें आ जाएगी प्राइम कॉस्ट.
सॉरी. जब यहाँ पे आप डायरेक्ट मटेरियल तक कैलकुलेट कर लोगे ना, ये वाला पॉइंट, राइट, यहाँ तक कैलकुलेट कर लोगे, इस सबको करके आएगा क्या बेटे? इस सबको करके आपके पास आएगा रॉ मटेरियल कंज्यूम्ड. ठीक है? क्लियर?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
फिर आप उस पे ऐड करोगे डायरेक्ट वेजेस और डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस. हाँ जी बोलो, दोबारा से बोलो सुजल.
यस मैम. सबसे पहले ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल में ऐड करेंगे परचेज ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स, ऐड करेंगे परचेज एक्सपेंसेस. उसमें से हम उसके बाद हम जब इन तीनों को ऐड कर लेंगे तो हमारा आएगा रॉ मटेरियल्स कंज्यूम्ड.
नहीं, उसमें से लेस करेंगे क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल, फिर आएगा रॉ मटेरियल कंज्यूम्ड.
ओके मैम. ओके.
फिर बोलो.
सबसे पहले हम ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल में ऐड करेंगे परचेज ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स, उसमें ऐड करेंगे परचेज एक्सपेंसेस, माइनस करेंगे क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स. उसके बाद हमारा आ जाएगा रॉ मटेरियल्स कंज्यूम्ड.
वेरी गुड. फिर उसमें ऐड क्या करेंगे?
डायरेक्ट वेजेस एंड डायरेक्ट चार्जेस.
तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा?
प्राइम कॉस्ट.
वेरी गुड. आगे?
Add factory overheads, factory rent, factory power, indirect material, indirect wages, supervisor salary, drawing office salary, factory insurance and factory asset depreciation.
इन
इससे
सबको ऐड करके क्या आएगा?
वर्क कॉस्ट incurred.
वर्क कॉस्ट इनकर्ड का दूसरा नाम क्या है?
फैक्ट्री कॉस्ट मैम.
वेरी गुड. फैक्ट्री
Factory
कॉस्ट
overhead.
इनकर्ड, राइट?
यस मैम.
में ऐड क्या करेंगे?
ऐड हम करेंगे ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ WIP.
WIP क्या है?
वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस.
वेरी गुड. यू आर आस्किंग और टेलिंग?
मैम आई एम टेलिंग.
ओके ओके. लेस.
उसके बाद हम ऐड करेंगे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ओवरहेड्स, जिसमें आता है
नहीं
ऑफिस.
नहीं, उसके बाद हम लेस करेंगे क्लोजिंग लेस.
ओके मैंने रीड नहीं किया.
ओपनिंग स्टॉक का वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस ऐड करेंगे, लेस करेंगे क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस, राइट?
यस मैम.
तो आपके पास क्या आएगी फिर?
वर्क कॉस्ट.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. वर्क कॉस्ट में क्या ऐड करेंगे?
हम ऐड करेंगे वर्क कॉस्ट में एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ओवरहेड्स. उसमें आता है ऑफिस रेंट, एसेट डेप्रिसिएशन, जनरल चार्जेस, ऑडिट फीस, बैंक चार्जेस, काउंटिंग हाउस सैलरी एंड अदर ऑफिस एक्सपेंसेस.
तो फिर क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास?
कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन.
फिर ऐड क्या करेंगे?
उसमें हम ऐड करेंगे ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ फिनिश्ड गुड्स और हम लेस करेंगे क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ फिनिश्ड गुड्स, जिससे हमारे पास आएगा कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड.
उसमें क्या ऐड करेंगे फिर उसके बाद?
उसके बाद हम उसमें ऐड करेंगे सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ओवरहेड्स, जिसमें आता है हमारा सेल्समैन कमीशन, सेल्समैन सैलरी, ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंसेस, एडवर्टीजमेंट, डिलीवरी मैन एक्सपेंसेस, सेल्स टैक्स एंड बैड डेट्स. और हमारे पास आ जाएगा कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स.
कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स का दूसरा नाम क्या है?
टोटल कॉस्ट मैम.
टोटल कॉस्ट, राइट. सेल्स और कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स का डिफरेंस क्या आएगा आपके पास?
प्रॉफिट मैम.
प्रॉफिट या
Profit loss.
राइट.
प्रॉफिट और लॉस.
I hope this is clear to everyone.
यस मैम.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now what you have to do tomorrow, you have to solve the illustration number 4. Illustration number 4. Sorry, this is ulta one. Illustration number 4 to 11. In your practical 4 to 11, right? These all are the illustrations. These are the illustration based on this cost sheet only, right? Before the same, let's start with solving some of the questions so that you can come to know about the cost sheet. Okay. Okay. So this is a simple question. I hope you can solve this. Everyone, kindly solve the question. Can you solve this question? Yes or no?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly solve it.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके मैम.
So what you have given in the question, how you can solve the question. Anyone who can solve it? First of all, you will write here opening stock of raw material, add purchases of raw material,
यस मैम.
less closing stock of raw material. You will calculate the material consumed. Then you will add the direct labor. If the direct expenses are there, you will add the same. If this is there, you will calculate your
प्राइम कॉस्ट.
prime cost. After the prime cost, you will add the
फैक्ट्री कॉस्ट.
factory cost, factory overheads. You will calculate the factory cost incurred. Then add the opening work in progress less this
Work in
closing work in progress, and you will calculate your factory
Overhead, ma'am.
cost, Rajesh.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You will calculate your factory cost. Now, after the factory cost, I am moving here. You will add the administration overheads. You will calculate your COP, that is your cost of production. Now, add the opening stock
Salary.
of finished goods less closing stock of finished goods, and you will calculate your cost of goods sold. And then you will add your selling and distribution expenses. You will calculate your total cost. And there is a sales. The difference between the sales and the total cost represents your profit or loss in balancing figure. I hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, can you calculate
Yes,
the same
ma'am.
and tell me the answer of the same? Anyone जिसका profit आ गया है? Anyone?
मैम कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन कैलकुलेट कर लिया, अभी प्रॉफिट निकाल रहे हैं.
हाँ जी निकालिए प्लीज निकालिए. I can share you one worksheet. I have prepared it from different books, and even you can solve that worksheet also, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now solve the questions in the book also, from 4 to 11 illustrations. Am I right?
Yes,
Am
ma'am.
I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You can solve it, no issues. It's very easy. But you have to be solve it with your whole heart. Clear?
मैम 71,000 आ रहा है प्रॉफिट.
Very good.
हाँ जी.
Any other? आपने 54 to 58 सारे सॉल्व कर लिए?
मैम केस स्टडी करवाओ ਤੁਸੀਂ.
केस स्टडी
करवा ਦਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ.
ओके फाइन, मैं करवा दूंगी. मैं कल करवा दूंगी. नेक्स्ट ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ केस स्टडी करवा दूंगी, राइट? ओके. एनी अदर थिंग? और कोई क्वेश्चन रहते? एनी अदर क्वेश्चन गुड्डू सिंह? अमन
मैम ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਕਰਵਾ ਦਿਓ.
ओके. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ ਬੇਟੇ. ਐ ਕਰੋ ਨਾ, ਮੇਕ ਅ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਆਫ ਦ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਾ ਹੋਏ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ. ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਯੋਰਸੈਲਫ ਫਸਟ ਆਫ ਆਲ.
ओके मैम.
ਮੈਮ ਕੱਲ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਫਿਰ ਦੱਸ ਦਾਂਗੇ.
ठीक है. डन. बस एक केस स्टडी करवानी है ना मैं.
यस मैम.
वो मैं करवा दूंगी. एनी अदर थिंग? एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
नो मैम.
ठीक. ਇਹਦਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ 71,000 आंसर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will share another screen with you so that you can solve another questions also. I will share these PPTs with you. So you can see so this is another chapter assignment for material. We can solve all the questions here. We'll share some of the questions with you so that you can come to know about that how you can proceed with the questions, right?
मैम रिपीट करो, ये डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया.
Okay. I have told you that I will share the entire things with you so that you can come to know about how you can go for the various case studies regarding the cost sheet. What type of questions are there in in exam, right? So I'm sharing my sheet again so that you can come to know what type of questions are there in CMA exams. Okay, let's see. Is my screen visible? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a worksheet 1. You can see? You can see worksheet 1. जब आपके वो क्वेश्चंस हो जाएंगे ना, तो ये एक वर्कशीट है जो हम और कर सकते हैं, जिसमें हमें पता चल सकता है कि हमारे जो आंसर्स हैं वो कितने आ रहे हैं. आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड राउंड अबाउट देयर आर 10 क्वेश्चंस इन दिस वर्कशीट taking from different type of books. These questions are not similar to whatever is written over there in your book. These are some extra questions that are based for a question sheet. Kindly solve this all so that you can come to know how you can get good marks in your exam. Now solve the question number 2. Solve the question number 2. Can you solve? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Please solve the question and tell me the answer of the same. Okay, have you solved the second question? Yes or no?
मैम कर रहे हैं.
हम कर रहे हैं.
Okay, okay.
मैम 10,000 का लॉस है.
Okay, is it a 10,000 loss? Let others tell about the same.
Yes, ma'am, 10,000 का लॉस है.
10,000 का
Again,
लॉस हो गया.
I hope this is clear to everyone now. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are some
Ma'am.
case studies related to cost sheet. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just wait. This is copy. I hope the base is clear, right? Okay, it is not possible for me to cover the entire questions in the class. If I have to solve each and every question, then I will not be able to cover your syllabus.